Hello friends, as we have said that we'll be continuing our series where I'll be giving you some useful tips which will be helping you to score good marks in the exam. So today I would like to talk about the subject geography, which is a really interesting and a very practical subject to study. I personally enjoyed a lot while studying it, and it is more about seeing and correlating it the environment that we are around. So usually person tends to develop a lot of interest in this subject. The approach that I had while studying this subject was first to see the video lectures that were provided in the government exam funda app, and after I was done seeing the particular video regarding a particular topic, I would go to the notes which were provided in the same app only, and then while having the picture of the particular graphics that were shown there, I used to keep that in mind and then read the content given. That way it was much easier for me to remember the concepts, and also when it was my revision time, I used to draw it with a pencil or a pen in a rough paper so that I know that what kind of concept was taught by the Priyanshu sir, and what kind of approach he told us regarding that same topic, because geography is a very practical subject. To have such things in your mind, to retain them for a longer duration, it is important that you have all those pictures in your mind while you are studying it. Also, when you are studying about geography, be it physical or be it the Indian geography, I would like to mention one thing, that there should always be one map which should always be on your table for whatever uh, area you are studying it about, be it India or world, because usually we tend to remember it better when we read it that way. I personally followed that approach, and I think it really helped me retaining all those concepts. When I could draw them, I saw that it was much easier for me to grasp all the things that were taught. And also the terminology that are used, I used to note that and then think about that particular thing while I was just sitting only. It used to help me with this. Thank you.